Good morning everybody, my name is Bill and this is SixRounds Studio. Today we're going to be working on the forearm of the Stevens favorite. In the last episode we did a patch on this trying to fix the break that was in that top flat of this thing. In today's episode we're going to head over to the woodworking bench. We're going to strip this thing down, get it final shape, and then we're going to sand it, put on our wash coat of finish, go behind that with all the color coats that we need to do to hide the patch itself. When that's done, we're going to start applying all the finish coats. There'll be 10, 12, 14 finish coats that we put on, rub it out, final coat it, and then it'll be done. We'll put it back on the Stevens favorite and call that project done. Let's head over to the woodworking bench and let's get this thing started. That is the last coat. That'll dry overnight, and tomorrow this goes back on the gun. We're going to blue and fix the screw that goes in there, or fix and blue the screw that goes in there. Going to attach it to the gun, and then that gun is ready to go on display. right, guys, the project is done. The Stevens favorite is done. The restoration is done. Very, very, very happy with how this thing came out. It is beautiful. The forearm, which we just finished up here, is almost exactly the same color as the buttstock. So very happy with that. Very proud that that came out that way. The patch, I don't think you'll see it. If I didn't point it out to you, I don't think anybody in the future will ever know. I have signed the back of this, which is something I've never ever done. This is my restoration, so I have put my name and logo on the buttstock of this gun stock, so that some future generation will see that. And I am proud of this. I'm proud of all the work that I do. So for the future. All right, I'm not going to do any real close-ups on this video. I hope you guys stick around and come back. Sometime either the end of this week or early next week, I'm going to do a complete review and comprehensive video beginning to end on this little rifle. And at the end of that, I will do a close-up video and some close-up photographs of this. With this being done, we are on to the next project. I've got 2 guitars that I'm working on. I'm going to spend a little bit of time over there building or working on those guitars. You guys, early in the year, you expressed an interest in me working on my Ruger M77 243 caliber, putting that maple stock on. I'm going to start working on that as well as the winter progresses. I've got that Winchester 73 that I'm working on for my patrons. That's an ongoing video series as well. So we have some really interesting projects coming up, and for you to see those, for you to be a part of those, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Ring the bell so you get notified the next time I post a video. Guys, I really appreciate you. Thanks for being here, and I will see you in the next video.